Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. And just last night I made a video on how to put text uh, maybe a little bit slower way. And somebody commented in print merge, and I said I don't really ever use print merge, and I actually have. I made a video one time, but this one's going to be a little bit different where we wanted it in a specific spot. So I'm just going to draw. We want it in the center, roughly of right here. So I'm just going to draw another indexing line and put it right there. And for the video, well, let's get it dead on. And then we can remove these lines. We can actually bring in an indexing line and put it in the center of the page this way. Then just go to File and Print Merge, Create or Load. We're going to create a new one. We don't want to do the text field. We want to do a number field. I'm just going to put in the number 1 and I'm going to add it. Now you see all this is all grayed out, but if you check on that and uncheck that, we're going to go from 1 to 50. Now last night I needed to go to 250 for that person, but this is a lot quicker. And then just hit next, next, finish. Then it's going to actually pop up and it's going to go insert print merge field. And you see it made it really little, but if you bring it out roughly the size you want and center it in that part of the page where he wanted it or they wanted it. Now this will not center it unless you go up to text and do center justified when you print. And then we're going to go perform print merge. And in that fast, you've created this. Now it looks funny on the screen, so I would test a couple sheets before I would print them all. This is for printing on paper, but you can see it goes from page 1 to 2 all the way to 50 that quick. So I thank that viewer for reminding me how print merge would have been a little bit faster than adding pages like I did last night. So I hope that helped a little bit, and thank you for watching.